Hello everyone. I spoke about a new train 2 videos back. I mean, the one in which you saw the Rani Chanama with Utkarsh Trek, and the tentative timings that look good on one side, but then now the final timings appears exactly same in both directions, which is pretty nice. And here are the timings. So it's 9 p.m. departure and 7 a.m. arrival on both sides. And as I said, it's departing just before Rani Chanma while going towards Belagavi. So kind of okayish. But then early arrival at Belagavi, probably by 6 would have meant really good for people who are working. I mean, imagine taking a train on Sunday night and reaching Belagavi by 6 so that you can work on Monday morning comfortably. 7 is also good, but then and that extra 1 hour. And it was inaugurated yesterday at Belagavi. So I decided I'll try to catch it, but then there was a problem. Railways had announced that it will run on open timings, which meant I was not sure when it will arrive at Bangalore. But then, thanks to Sandesh from Belagavi, who updated me that the inaugural departed at 7. So I immediately checked the status of Rani Chanama, and it had departed on time at 6:45, which meant there will be no overtake. And since it is running on open timings, I was pretty sure that the train will come after Rani Chanama. So I decided to go out early morning today. I started by 6:15, and as I was nearing Malleshwaram, I just checked on NTS, giving SBC as a station code, and to my surprise, the special was being tracked. And yeah, there was another surprise. It was running late by 2.5 hours. It was still near Gubbi, and I was totally confused because my plan was to go to Malleshwaram, capture it, and come back within 30 minutes. But then I ended up staying there for almost 2 hours. It came after Gol Gumbas, and here it is. It's a beautiful looking Utkarsh Trek. I was pretty happy to see that, and decoration is not the way how it is seen in this video. It was beautifully decorated. I'll give a link to Sandesh video where he has shown it beautifully. Link in the description for that video. And apart from this, I did capture a few trains, and you'll be seeing that. With that, it will be end of this video. And before ending, I want to thank you all for the positive comments. Of course, that quitting video, uh, I feel truly blessed to see a lot of positive comment supports. It did help me out a bit. Hopefully, I can recover completely soon, and then probably videos will come out regularly as well. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you soon.